यूनिवर्स, इसका जो फैसिनेशन है, बचपन से हम लोग इतना कुछ सुने हैं, इतना कुछ देखे हैं, देखने का कोशिश किए हैं, और इसके बारे में हम लोग जितना भी जानेंगे वो शायद कम ही होगा. बट द वंडर्स दैट द यूनिवर्स होल्ड्स, दैट will and will continue to fascinate us throughout.
Universe. What comes in my mind when I heard this term universe? I think it is multiverse, that is multi-dimensional world. We don't know about universe, or we can say that our research reached to only 1% or 0.1% about the study of universe. We don't know about the time dimension, we don't know about time travel, we don't know about alien worlds. But apart from everything, what comes in my mind, it is the multi-dimensional system. That means we are living in a certain dimension and a frequency, and there are some worlds which will have other dimension and their frequencies, and in every dimension and every frequencies we are present. That means our own personalities are present in those dimensions, and they are living a certain type of life what we are expecting, or we can understand in a simple manner that how many types of our life can be possibles are present in different dimensions.
बचपन से एक ही सवाल मन में था कि ब्रह्मांड क्या है. जैसे हमने टीवी में देखा, कहानियों में सुना, दादी नानी ने हमें बताया, ब्रह्मांड जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे तारे होते हैं, बहुत सारे ग्रह होते हैं, उन सबको मिलकर ही ब्रह्मांड बनता है. हमें देवलोक के बारे में बताया गया, और भी बहुत सारे लोगों के बारे में बताया गया, पाताल लोक के बारे में बताया गया. क्या वो है?
The universe for me is not something that has been created purposelessly. Indeed, there is some purpose. You cannot just think that lumps of masses have been scattered in the empty space arbitrarily. It cannot be. The perfect example is the earth, which support lives, and that too perfectly. And you cannot expect that in probability or chance such a perfection can exist in the universe. So there must be some master creator in whatever form he may be or it may be, but there is someone behind who either lives in a different plane or within the creation itself. That is what I think about the universe.
खासतौर पर बच्चों का ये सोचना होता है कि पैरेलल यूनिवर्स क्या चीज़ होती है, अगर ऐसी चीज़ है तो उसमें क्या होता होगा, क्या वहाँ पर भी हम लोगों के जैसी एक प्रति वहाँ पे होगी, और वो हम लोगों के साथ जो हो रहा है वो भी उसके साथ भी हो रहा है. क्या ऐसी चीज़ होती है? ये हम जानना बहुत ही उत्साहित करता है हम लोगों को कि ब्रह्मांड में ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हो सकती है. ठीक है.
The theme of the universe still fascinating the many, from black hole to white hole, from dark matter to many other mysteries, from parallel universe, time traveling. Who knows what exists, what doesn't. But in this journey, we are going to watch all of this. We are going to check all of this. Let's see what is reality and what is mere imagination. Because we are going to justify one basic principle of science, that reality is far stranger than imagination.